Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you how to remove margin line in Excel. If you want to quickly get rid of those annoying dashes, line that appear across your grid after you look at the print preview, here is the fastest way to turn them off. So for this you need to click on the File tab in the top left corner and then click on the More and click on the Options. So in the window that pop-ups, click on the Advanced in the left menu and now scroll down until you find the section that is titled Display Option for Worksheet. This is the display option for worksheet. And now uncheck the box next to Show Page Breaks. You just need to uncheck that and simply click OK. And here you can see that the dashes line will disappear instantly from your screen. If you are still seeing the margins, for this you need to check the view. For this you need to click on the view and make sure it should be the normal. So this brings you right back to the standard continuous grid view without any page borders showing. So this way you can easily remove margin line in Excel. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.